Laugh when you can let go of what you can't change. Good morning, all of you. I'm feeling very happy today. Want to ask the secret of my happiness? The secret of my happiness is this bag. You know, this bag is full of happiness I have collected from all around the world and filled it into this bag. Now I'm going to scatter these beautiful colors of rainbow into your life. Also, are you all ready to see this magic?
A very good morning. Happiness keeps you sweet. Life keeps you humble. Success keeps you glowing. But only God keeps you going. Before moving on, let's connect to Almighty.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship your holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship your holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship your holy name. You're rich in love and slow to anger. Your name is great and your heart is kind. For all your goodness, I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship your holy name.
worship your holy name.
Good morning, all of you. As you all are aware of the unprecedented circumstances caused by the pandemic around the globe, we are now confined inside our safety structures, nonetheless with our beloved family members, but we certainly miss going to school so much. Still, we Ammonites are very well prepared to face and overcome this challenge. Today, we, the students of grade 2 Aster, are here to spread happiness in your lives too.
Happiness, we often wonder where happiness starts. The journey usually begins in our individual hearts. Each of us possesses our happiness view. We must take to our values. In the mirror, we must be true, spending time with others who we love and deeply care. It's the simple moment in time every day we would love to share. Thank you.
आओ थोड़ा मुस्कुराए, किसी का दिन बनाए, रोते हुए हंसाए, जिंदगी की खूबसूरती बढ़ाए। आओ थोड़ा मुस्कुराए, दर्द पर मरहम लगाए, जिंदगी की रफ्तार बढ़ाए, सपनों को पंख लगाए। आओ थोड़ा मुस्कुराए, सुख दुख को साथ लिए जीते जा, जलेबी से मिठास बांटते जा, कांटों पर चलकर फूल सा खिलखिलाए। आओ थोड़ा मुस्कुराए। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. How to be happy? If you do not choose to be happy, no one can make you happy. And if you choose to be happy, no one can make you unhappy. We are only responsible for our happiness. Happiness is a choice. In order to be happy, we must be grateful to God for the many things He has given us. Hence, to be happy, we should lessen the burden of desires and expectations. We should not always pray for things. If our desires would not be met, we would become sad. Thus, optimism, self-realization, gratitude and satisfaction are the major keys to happiness. Thank you and have a nice day.
books, and tiffin.
Happiness for me is dancing and drawing.
I feel happy when I get new toys. It is one of the best moments of my life.
I love to play indoor games with my sister.
Happiness for me is visiting a hill station with my family.
What makes me happy is going to my maternal grandma's house.
Alia, your favorite food? Cake, it's cake.
Wow, Mom.
One more bite, you like it?
I feel very happy when my mom cooks delicious food for me. I love you, Mom.
Love you, Alia. So sweet of you.
Happiness for me is going to park with my parents.
What makes me happy is when my plants are happy. When I water them and they smile, I get to smile.
Whew. Here, I am tired now. Okay?
Okay, Papa, I will bring juice for you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. My father's smile is the secret of my happiness.
is something if you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. Happiness is something if you give it away.